I want to take a moment before we run out of time to discuss this beautiful piece of carbon fiber. It's a very big, high-flowing carbon fiber product. This is our B9 RS5 S34 intake system. It works with our new carbon fiber turbo inlet for the twin turbo RS5. And features a massive SüperDüper intake. You can see it's about the size of my head. And I can actually fit my whole arm inside here. And I'm now air filter man.
Yep.
I should have been this for Halloween.
Yeah, you should.
But this intake is a full 3.5-inch diameter flowing into each turbo inlet. There are billet aluminum turbo inlet adapters to bolt the flanges that bolt to the turbos, and then a small silicone coupler tightly connects the carbon fiber plenum to the flange.
You can see the metal rings inside here for added security when you're clamping.
And then this filter shroud installs like this in the car. Careful, Nate.
Sure does.
And all the horsepurs go through here, and the turbostor sounds come out there. So we are releasing this today.
Currently available for purchase.
Currently available on our website. A couple of you have been asking about this incessantly for months now.
As if we.
I could also be, turbo inlet man.
It's like a crab claw or something. We have to come up with some new names.
I should have been this for Halloween.
There you go.
Only if we had production units in stock. Anyways, just I'm joking around, but these are freaking big, high-flowing parts, and easily support stage 3 power levels that we have now and into the future. So just some quick numbers. 55% increase flow over stock. And 82% increase in flow over stock with the TTE 720 flanges.
Yes.
So you can see the factory turbo inlet size is that much of a restriction. The whole SüperDüper Insuction bundle.
These are 720 flanges.
These are the 720 flanges. Now, I cannot stick my arm through this, but I can sort of get my fingers in there. It's kind of kinky. So the Insuction bundle, which is, the whole thing?
Yeah.
49% increase over stock and 73% increase over stock with the 720 flanges.
That's for the X34.
That's for the X34.
Oh, sorry, that's the X34. And the first 5582 was for the S34, and the P34, which is our plastic intake option. So if you already currently own an X34 or a P34 for the RS5, we will sell you just the parts to make it SüperDüper. But with the P34, it's a 48% increase over stock with a 72% increase with 720. So you can see these are all excellent flowing systems. The S34 adds about 10% onto the regular intake systems once they've been SüperDüpered. So yeah, it comes with stock turbo adapter flanges, and then you can buy 720s if you'd like. And then we also include these really sexy little billet engine cover risers that lift the front of the engine cover up just a little bit to give more room for all the girth, because the stock engine cover just couldn't handle the size. So, and again, available now on our website at a special introductory price of 10% off. And we will be quoting shipping. Well, it looks like we're quoting shipping mid to late December. So, why should you order it now? Well, the sooner you order it, the sooner you'll get it. And so when those those first production units come in and we assemble them, they will ship to the people who ordered it first. And we do have a set amount of inventory coming in, and it is possible that it will sell out. So if you want to wait till mid to late December, you could find yourself trying to order it and it being out of stock again. So if you want to get in line, now's the time to do it with the 10% off. And of course, the introductory pricing won't last forever either. So by the time these are shipping, I don't think we'll be having introductory pricing. So now's the time to jump in, and it's very reasonably priced. I price all this stuff myself, and I looked at everything on the market, and I think we're the best value by far, especially dollar per performance. dollar per performance, we blow everybody else away.